Alright. Maybe that's too much sound. Let's lower it a bit. Alright. Let's go. Will I manage my hair? Who knows? Alright. I'm vibing today. Let's get everything in order. Want to see something cool? Want to see something cool? I'll show you. Let's close these. Unless I destroyed it. Holy refreshful. I'm going great. Sorry, the mic needs adjusting. Here we go. How's it going at Azure, Tron, ATO? How's it going? I'm going well. Today, the vibes are immaculate, okay? The vibes are immaculate. I did a fuck ton of work. We are cooking, okay? We are cooking. That shit is the shit. So, well, you don't know about that project, so let me give you some good memes, okay? Let's zoom in a bit. Okay, maybe it's not meant to be zoomed that much. So, for the last year and a couple months, I've been working on trying to revolutionize how reading Linux code is done. So, to make a short story, I made some videos where I was explaining how ext worked. I made some cute graphs, and it kind of broke my brain because I was like, holy shit, I can automate all of that. I could have not wasted a month, well, 2 months of my life and just automated that if I had a parser. So I made a parser, and that parser was shit because it was like in real time, a web page and doing a bunch of PHP magic. So I was like, no, we need to make this overpowered. So I rewrote it using libclang, which is the LLVM parser, and then, but hey, productivity is productivity. Kudos for that. Thank you. So then I went in, made a parser for the C code, made a parser for the kconfig, for the maintainer, for the credits, made a web version of menu config and a kconfig thing that you can follow. So for example, here we're in the Linux kernel. We can just go to a file. It will show you which subsystem it is it will show you what's going on with their subsystem. You will have all the parts of the code, what they're made of. For now, this is not used that much, but I'm going to make a thing that tells you like when a specific piece of code changed. I have already have the code for that, right? It's just that I don't have the front end for it. So it parses for it, but it's not showed yet. And also, you have access to all the kconfig information and that's where it gets fucking insane. You have a fully working kconfig manager, which you can like set shit to it and it will tell you whenever you're doing something dumb. At least it should. Like here, it doesn't allow me to click this because it's impossible to have 64-bit and 32-bit at the same time without fucking something up. So, like, this is still in the works. But the idea is that we're going to be able to export it and compile from it. And you can also like go and set the target for it, for whatever the fuck the architecture you're using. You have access to the default config. Now that is still in the works, but as we can see, it looks like it's working. So, and one final meme. We have the literal menu config thing. Whoops, I disabled things, I think. Nope, my computer is cooking right now. Okay, it's just that it's cooking. So, that's done. And also, when I was talking about the subsystem, you have all the subsystem. And when you click them, let's say that we go to my favorite, ext4. You click it. Then you have the maintainers. You have access to which files are part of that umbrella. And when you click on it, of course, it will get you there. You also have access to more information about the person, right? So we see Andrea's here. We see if they have kernel credits and what other subsystem they're taking care of. And then we have Ted So, of course, it says what the fuck he's doing. So, and of course the credit list if you want. So, yeah. If we go back a little bit, and like we take some C code. C code is still being worked on because I don't have anything to parse correctly the functions. But we're getting there. And one of the cool thing that I want to do, if we go back to another, let's do this. I use this one because I know it like the back of my hand. What's fun is that by having the if-defs mapped out like together, what we're going to be able to do, I don't have the function yet, but like we technically have everything in the DB for this. What we're going to be able to do is to collapse specific part of the code that are not compiled with your specific config. So what it's going to do, like automatically is going to check, hey, that's excluded. So like this part is a conditional, so because you don't have this specific config, it's going to be excluded. So all of that. And there's more coming up. Okay, there's so much more information in the kernel, but yeah. And by the way, if you know the website like Bootlin, it's a very good website. Like Bootlin is there to give you each version of the code because yes, this is version specific. And it will parse it for you. this takes so much time to parse. My thing is faster than it. So it's already faster than fucking Bootlin. So we're eating good. We're eating good. How's it going, Mitri? How's it going? I'm vibing today. Plus or minus? That's good. Could be minus minus. We'll be okay. It will be okay, brother. It will be okay. Big hug, okay? Big hug. And I'm still stuck at 8086 and Bootlin. This is a game changer. Well, Bootlin is a game changer, but this will be the thing. So yeah, I'm just trying to revolutionize how Linux works. Well, how we look at Linux things. So I actually did a lot of change, so I should reprocess the DB. It will take an hour and a half at least, so that we have 2 versions. So while that's going on, we're gonna be able to do a bunch of other shit. I mean, this project that you made is a game changer, kudos. Well, it's not done yet, but we'll get there. You know, there's a thing in life, okay? There's a thing in life that all the both of you, okay, needs to know. You might be a retard, okay? I am. I know I am. But when you set yourself to do one thing and one thing only for a very long amount of time, you guarantee yourself to be the best at this thing. It doesn't mean that you can like run faster than Usain Bolt. It doesn't mean that you're gonna be able to like outsmart somebody that's smarter than you. But you will know your fucking subject so fucking strong that you'll be the best, okay? You'll be pretty fucking good. So, a year and a half doing that shit. Well, a couple of months. It does that. I know what the fuck I'm doing. I could recreate this with the back of my hand. But, yeah. Oh, bye-bye. Love you too. Alright. And to be honest, maybe that's where we're going to fucking hate each other. But have a nice day too. But here what allowed me to do a lot of this, because I was stuck on the C part of things, and what allowed me to do a lot of things is fucking AI. Holy shit, it's a game changer. When you know how to use it correctly and set everything up, and like you don't like you wording, goddamn. The big problem with AI is that you cannot tell it to do a thing. You need to like set everything up for it to do the thing. And once you understand that correctly, holy shit is good. So yeah, let's commit all of this and make an insanely long message. New parsers. Config. Maintainers. Well, technically, we have a K build. K build, maintainer. Credits. With related test and web app implementation. Trust me when I say half of my colleague left computers just because it didn't fit in them. I stayed to keep learning. That's fair. That's fair. Like, the core issue is always to know your fucking things. Like when you know the structure of a thing and how a thing works, that makes you so much more powerful than the guy that's just lost and just vibing things. I had something else that was important that I did. Couldn't it be here? Also new the application system for maps. Okay, anything else? All right. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Commit, sync change. All right. All right, what's next? What is next? Okay. So the big thing is, I have tokens to burn, okay? In 8 hours, this fucking limit resets. We gotta clear the tokens. We're not leaving money on the table, folks. The AI data center need to drink too, okay? It needs to drink too. All right. So right now, looking at all of this, yeah, of course I shut down the server, so what's the next thing that's missing? I have assembly, I have C, I have kconfig. I guess I don't have anything that parses the make file. Let's just go and open shit up. Make file and documentation. I don't know what I could parse from that. Like there's a future feature that I want to have, but this is going to be so long to parse for. So the idea is that, you know how in Git you have the commits and you have blame, right? Where you can see, hey, fuck that zoom. Where we can see who did what. And what I want to implement this blame thing. That's good. But I also want us to implement the history of that thing. And when I say the history, I don't only mean the message here, but the message on the mailing list. So, for example, Linux kernel mailing list. If I go here, bro, just, you know, it's bad when it's easier to just go to my links of things, like here. Yes, this should work. Bro, can I find this anywhere? No. Oh, I'm just clicking back and forth. Okay. Anyway, we should be able to just automatically search within the mailing list for which message is linked to a specific change, so that not only do we get like the little commit message, but we could get the whole history of a specific line of code. That would be pretty fucking cool. Like, wouldn't it be cool? Like, you go on your specific file, whichever the fuck it is, then you click on our equivalent of blame, you can see which commit did what, and then you can look at everything from the mailing list. And you can have information about who sent it and all that. Oh, that would just be good. This just makes me want to go to Pico 8 and complete that one Doom clone that I left out. Of frustration. It's Lua code after all. Has to be easier. Well, look. That sounds like a complicated project, because I have no knowledge to that. But at the end of the day, whichever project you put your mind to, if you want to sink enough time into it, it's a superpower. You'll do it. It's always about sinking time into it. So if you find it valuable, you do it. If you don't, you don't. Like, when I started this, I was 100% accepting that I might burn like 2 to 3 years of my life trying to complete this. But to me, this is worth it. Already what we have is worth it. So, yeah. I'm so happy that the def config kind of worked, and that the subsystem is like as good as it is right now. I'm gonna need to remake the website, because this is like this is so suboptimal, right? When I run this, my CPU start fucking flaring up. So yeah, and there's also too much communication between the API that gives the data and the client. We need to keep a lot of things local when we do these big things, because just trashing the whole DB back and forth for which config you have enabled, that's too much. But that's all work that I don't really care about right now. It's only local, so yeah. On it, and yeah, like the stream, keep the great work. It's looking insanely good. Yeah, it is. I just want to see the new result. But while we're waiting on that, I guess we can just fucking AI that shit up again, as to eat our tokens. So what do I want to prioritize here? I think I'll go for the Rust parser. When did Rust... Okay, let's start by the beginning. And by the beginning, I mean log into the server, log into the directory where everything is, and to update its git pull, right? So we're going to ask the AI to create a Rust parser based on the latest version of Linux. And I guess we'll hope. I have truly the Rust parser, I have no idea. I'm just praying that it is smart enough to fucking figure it out. I should probably look. There must be an equivalent to libclang equivalent for Rust. This must exist, right? Rust C. Okay. You know what? If we're going to ask AI, let's ask a real one. My Gemini. Boom, 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 boom. I need to parse Rust code in Linux in order to get all of the syntax 3. Which tool would allow me to do that in the fastest way? Alright, let's keep an eye out. I just want to see what this does. I just want to see it. Because it might crash. We're doing a lot of fucking around with the without the DB works. 3-sitter is not good enough. Sin, I don't know what it is. We'll look at it. Oh, we have a little thingy. We should probably look at what sin is. What the fuck is this, first of all? Okay, and against sin, what's the difference? Sin is a parsing memory, parsing a stream of Rust token into a syntax tree for source code. Okay, it doesn't look as professional as this. I'm confused why there's no libclang equivalent for Rust. Doesn't the parser itself have its own thing? The very first thing the compiler does is take the program in UTF-8 Unicode text and turn it into a data format the compiler can work with more conveniently than strings. This happens in two-stage, lexing and parsing. Lexing takes a string and turns them into a stream of token. Yeah, fair. We know that part. Parsing the string, your work with usually called. Okay. Maybe we should push it to use this because this looks like the closest thing to libclang. Oh, okay. I was so confused about what was going on. Okay. This is Ubuntu, right? Okay. Sudo apt install. Yeah, show me. Rust. What do they mean by Rust C? Oh, it's the compiler itself. Rust C AST. Okay. So maybe I just download Rust C and I ask the AI to figure it the fuck out. Ah, the classic. Yeah, that's good to me. Alright. We need to create a new parser for Rust code for testing. You must use Linux v7.2 code. We should parse using an optimized and precise method, most likely Rust C. Use the MAST tables in order to store the information. Handle tag and the versioning of said tags. Add tables if necessary for create new tests for the parser. Before showing the implementation plan to me, review it one more time for potential missing data / information that we could add. All right, let's let it vibe. Eat my token. I just have zero idea of how to go about it. And usually, it's good to start with an AI doing everything and you optimize whatever the fuck it did. It just seems to do a pretty good job. Please test. Just work. Is it just chillin'? Wait, we had the 7.2 version. Wait, it's just not returning anything. Why isn't this working? Is it because of this? Oh my god. I don't want to write this. Oh, thank Lord. It understood. What? What does this do? LS3. Name only. Why would this do anything? Check for character at the end of a string bash. I'll just do it through grep. Okay, that was not the expected value. All right, now that makes sense. Okay. Let's read for real. All right. Maybe that feels a bit more like it. Was dollar sign? Okay. How do we signal the end? Word end. No, it's a line end. Oh, I think I... Oh, fuck. This might be... Oh, awk. Yep, it's awk. Alright. Grab, line, end. Symbol. Dollar sign. And they don't have the E. So if we do this, why does driver fucking come into it? Oh, that's old stuff. I'm retarded. Sorry. Oh, I'm dumb. Bruh. Okay. Okay. What's the end of the command that they use? N30. Okay. Isn't this the command you want? Okay. We had to have the AI hand-holding right there. It happens, it happens. Keep faith. Okay, I don't like what it's cooking right now. It seems to be a little lost. Bruh, my AI is retarded. Holy fuck. Alright. I think it would be fair to fucking delete everything. See all. Delete. All right. We need to create a new person. For testing and information, you must use a similar to code. Most likely using ASD from. Alright. Let's try this. I think the history of the project might be poisoning its brain. Potato. You know what? Let's let it chill. We'll play chess. And we'll be back. Let's win this. Okay. Do I even care about this? I don't know, fuck it. Still vibing. Oh, I think I know. We could do this. He eats, I eat, each check. Or maybe not. I haven't even thought about that move. I'm retarded. I need to think a bit more. He's just chilling. Okay. So if I do this, that's a garbage move, right? I go here, he'll heat me. I heat him, he eat me. But if I move, he'll fuck me over. Well, I guess I need to I'll need to do something like this. Because he'll move this there. Wait, what? I'm much so confused about what happened. Alright, fuck this. Shit, I got things to read. But I need to think. Okay, he'll eat. There's no other option, right? So I eat this, and then if he moves this, and I'm not check, which would be surprising. Okay. So then I can probably do something like this. This. Okay. So then my path is clear for me to perpetual check his ass, but I guess not. There's some good opportunity here. Okay, he kind of blocked it. But I guess I can do this now. The gospel one. Thanks, my friend. God be with you, I guess. Rip. Okay. Let's take a look at that plan. Global stuff, STO. Rust CZ, unpretty AST3. Okay. Alright, this looks pretty freaking good. Let's go for it. We can also spun up the server. The web, Python main. Did I fuck it up or? I guess so. I don't know. Alright, this should work. What did we change? I don't remember what we changed. Fuck. Alright. It just looks as it should. Can we really do this? Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, I love it. Alright. Okay. Yeah, there's more work to be done here. Anyway, we'll keep on parsing and we'll keep on asking the AI to do shit, I guess. Yes. Eat my tokens. Alright, let's play more chess. Chess is a fun, relaxing thing to do. He says, like, 5 minutes before he starts yelling. What the fuck? I could do this. Okay. Why would you put yourself in that situation? Go ahead. Eat me. You know what? Let's pre-move. Not a bad move, not a bad move. Okay, you can fork me here. Alright, let's prepare. So if he goes here, I can go here. I could defend more if needed. Okay. I could bait. Yeah, let's do that. He'll go here, I'll go here. He cannot heat, I win. Okay, that's not a good position to be in. I guess that's a better one. I'm trying to make some crazy gamble right now. Alright, those are fucked. This is safe for me, right? If he wants to queen trade, he can. But I doubt that that's his goal. Alright. Like, I could do this. Fuck it. Fuck it. Move. Oh. In the business, we call that an opportunity. But do we want that opportunity? We need to have a fucking setup that we like insta-win. So it need to be this, followed by this, this. God damn, he's not going to not move for that long. Oh, fuck, bro, we need to try. He's going to go for this. Oh, no, he cannot. Right. Could do this. Then I would do this. You know what? Let's pre-move. Oh, fuck, we need to try. Please attack. Fuck me, dude. This is getting retarded. Going to go there. Fuck. All right. So here we have a new Rust parser. Is there any other parser that we're missing while we still have probably like 2 tokens? Bruh. Start cycle. Freeze review. Rust parser to ensure that all features are implemented without error. I just want an excuse to play check. Chess. Why? That never happened, okay? Let's go in real no brain mode. That's a good move. Fuck. I tried. Let's do an add code review. Go. I'm scared. It's getting a little fucked here. Why? It's so retarded. This is all the worst moves. Oh man. Just walking through. I was just passing through, brother. Alright, fuck you. I'm bad today. I'm very bad. You know what? I trust it. Haha. All right. I think we can just run a new test, but with the latest version of the kernel, just so we have an idea of how things are going. I'm in the web app, you stupid fuck. Yeah, that should look good. Here we go. That's gonna take a fucking while. Like the kernel has octupled in size, so... And we'll probably see a fuck ton of errors. Okay. Let's play a couple more bullet games before I go. This was fun. Doom, 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 I should have eaten with this. Okay. I don't care. It's always the time. Oh, what a fuck up. I don't really care. Okay, that's not a way to go. But I guess I can do this. Okay. Nice one. Okay. Yeah, fuck this. I misclick. Ah. Another one. Fuck. You saw it. That was a bad fucking move. Finishing with insane vectors, that's the way to go. Nice move. That's retarded. Okay. Ah, the little pre-moves. Am I starting to get it for today? Free meal. Nice one. I was winning. No. One last one, okay? One last one. Fuck me. Oh. No, fuck this. I won on time. Alright, one last one for real. I'm okay. Fuck me, dude. Okay, that's all for today. It was a fun little stream. We'll see ourselves tomorrow. Alright, bye-bye. Love you all.